Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin with the basics. Power off the beats and detach any cable. Once done, lay the headset face up on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. This protects the finish while you work. Use a small flat pry tool to gently separate the cushion's seam at the lower edge because the cushion is typically clipped in under a thin rim. Apply slow, even pressure and lift a small section first. This prevents tearing. Make sure to keep pulled clips visible so you know where to reattach the new cushion. Now continue by working around the entire ear cup to free the old cushion. You'll unclip about 6 to 8 retention tabs depending on the model. Once a section is free, slide your fingers under the cushion and peel slowly. Don't yank, because internal speaker wires sit near the rim. After removal, clean any adhesive or debris with 70–90% isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free cloth. This ensures the new cushion seats flat. Finally, inspect the head cup and wiring for damage before moving. To finish, align the new cushion's lip to the head cup rim and press one section into place to anchor it. Then work clockwise, pressing each retention tab until you hear or feel a click. This creates an even seal that preserves bass response. Once fully seated, reconnect power and run a sound test at moderate volume. Listen for rattles and verify comfort. If fit is poor, reseat the cushion and check for trapped fabric or loose wires. That single troubleshooting step fixes most common alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.